In this lesson, we're going to multiply two decimal numbers together. So if we have a problem like this that says multiply 2.1 times 2.4, let's go through each step in detail and figure out how to do this. When multiplying decimals, ignore the decimal and multiply normally. We deal with the decimal at the end, okay? So don't worry about the decimal. Pretend it's not there. So step 2 is multiply 4 by 1 and then by 2, as shown with the arrows. So we multiply 4 times 1, that equals to 4. Now we multiply 4 times 2, that equals to 8. So we put that there. Now step 2, multiply 2 by 1 and then by 2, as shown with the arrows. Make sure to line up the multiplication as shown with the place value. Put a 0 at the end to remind you that you are multiplying by 20 and not by 2. So how does that look? Let's look at that. Here's the arrow. So now we're going to multiply 2 by 1. We make sure to put that answer here. And here we put the 0. Put a 0 at the end to remind you that you are multiplying by 20 and not by 2. Okay, so that'll help you line up the answers properly. Now we go here. We go 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so we're done with our multiplication. So now we add the numbers together. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Then we add 8 plus 2, which is 10. So then we carry a 1 here to this digit, right? So now we add that digit together. 4 plus 1 is 5. So now we deal with our decimals. Now we can deal with the decimals, okay? So ask yourself, how many numbers come after the decimal in 2.1 and 2.4? So here's 2.1, here's 2.4, okay? So how many numbers come after the decimal? 2. 2 numbers in total come after the decimal in this problem. This one and this one. So that means we move the decimal over in the answer twice. So we go like this, 1, 2, and we put the decimal there. And that's the answer. That's how you do this type of problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, you could take a look in the ebook. There's links to other videos of mine like this that I've done in the past. You could look at those. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. The link in the ebook will take you to this exact video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.